I'm James Adam Woodward for About.com, and this video is about
how to fix an electrical outlet. First, we're going to need a few things: a small nail, a pair of needle nose pliers, a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, a new electrical outlet, and cover. First, we want to turn off our main power switch and all the other switches in the circuit breaker. Then we want to test with a lamp to make sure our power is off. Now with our flathead screwdriver, we want to remove the main cover. Next, we take our Phillips screwdriver and remove the top and bottom screws. Now with our Phillips screwdriver, we want to remove the ground from the side of the electrical outlet. Now we want to take our nail and stick it inside the back of the electrical outlet to remove the neutral and hot wire. In this case, it's a little different. How some electrical outlets have the screws on the side, these wires are installed in the back. For a closer look, this is how you install the nail. You stick it in and then simply pull the wires out. Now we want to take our new electrical outlet where it has screws on the side, get our wires set in place, take our needle nose pliers and bend the wires so we can install it easier. First, we install our ground. Use our Phillips screwdriver to re-tighten that. Now we install our neutral wire. And next, our hot wire. Tighten with our Phillips screwdriver on both sides. Reinstall our top and bottom screws with our Phillips screwdriver. Replace our main cover with our flathead. And that is how you fix and install a new electrical outlet. Turn back on our main power switch and all the other switches in the circuit breaker. And retest our new outlet with the lamp. Thank you for watching. This is About.com.